was not well on Friday. He just said he had a headache and running stomach.
Soon, people won't comment about our business because of this water. They will think that this water will affect this media and kill them.
Izakhamuzi zeAmaskral zithi urhulumente ngathana wazilalela kade ngamanzi angakahlwengi ngabe akabhubhi abantu abangaka balithumi nahlanu abantu ababulewe ubulwele bekholera bekube nje.
Thabo Bester was issued with an identity card on the 17th of May 2023.
Umkati nombulali uThabo Bester unikelwe umazisi omutsha kanti intombi yakhe uDr Nandipha Magudumana umukwe ipassport yakhe. Siyanamukela endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku SABC 1 na ku DTT akwande mzomkhulu. Izakhamuzi zeAmaskral zivuke eMadlaruma namhlanje ngemva kweiri le-12 zaqotha umeyara weTshwane uSilas Brink. uBrink uhlangana nengikhulu ezivakatshele isibhedlela seJubilee la kulatshwa khona izakhamuzi ezibanjwe bulwelwe bokuthula. Ingikhulu ezivakatshele isibhedlela lesi lisekela likaNgqongqotshe wezempilo uDr Sibongiseni Dlomo, isekela likaNgqongqotshe wezamanzi uDavid Mahlobo kunye nosomkhandlu wezempilo eGauteng uNomantu Nkomo Rally Hoko.
Bangaphezulu kwe-10 abantu sebabulewe kugula bokuthuluka eAmaskral eTlagwini yePitori. Iningi lezakhamuzi elibanjwe kuguluku zilatshwa esibhedlela seJubilee. Iphiko lendaba le-SABC likhulume noma ubaba wakwakhe ongomunye wabantu abasesibhedlela wabeka ngani isindlela.
He was not well on Friday. He just said he had a headache and running stomach and cramps. So he went to the toilet like the whole night. And now after 3 days he started bleeding.
Abantu abaziphilisa ngokuthengisa ukudla nabo indaba yekholera ibatshe bathonyekile. Bathi indaba yamanzi izokubabalekisela abantu abathengako.
The type of business we are doing here, we are selling meat for many people. So this water is affecting our business because of soon people won't comment about our business because of this water. They will think that this water will affect this media and kill them.
Lori jirikiseza metsi reno ona metsi yao hal bar buritso hore metsi a dithepe a ditshila re ska hano ifrano re abidisi again. So today ke krile information mo WhatsApp hore metsi a re hanwang ona o a dilori ke ona metsi a rwadisang.
Nakusenjalo phekukira urawu ngaphandle kwesibhedlela eJubilee ngesikhathi umyara weTshwane uSilas Brink nakathi uzokuhlola ubujamo esibhedlela abakhulumi nezakhamuzi. Izakhamuzi bezitsho kumqeda zithi urhulumente isikhathi esonke bekanganandaba nendlilo zabo zamanzi khona enza ngathi unechejo nasekubhubha abantu. Phambilini nakakhuluma nendaba uBrink uthi amanzi ahlora qobe nyanga.
So regular routine tests are done on water streams, on supply areas on a monthly basis. In fact, and none of those tests indicated a positive case of cholera or typhoid or any of the diseases that present a threat to human life.
Ingikhulu zikaRhulumente nazo zithena zikhuluma nembingindaba zathi impumela yenhlahlubo zamanzi ezisanda ukuyifumana ayivezi cholera.
During the briefing, I've just received an update that at the Temba water treatment plant, it's tested negative, so we are good. So far as remnants of cholera, there's none there. I can say again that from the rainwater also, I have received the certificate. We are okay. Tested negative, and same as Mahalis. So everything is sorted out.
Isekela kaNgqongqotshe wezempilo uDr Sibongiseni Dlomo uqinisekisa ukuthi bama-41 abantu ababanjwe ukugula kokuthuluka enarheni le.
We have 41 cases now countrywide. Mr. With the easiest to remember, there's one in Limpopo, I think Guyana, Messina, who has a travel history from around where we are. So we can link that case to around here. There are 6 cases in Free State.
Abantu beAmaskral nakwezinye indawo la kunovulwe lobo bayelulise bona bangalingi basela amanzi aphuma empompini. Ngingufilmon Sikhosana endabeni zeSABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ekhasini lethu le Facebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngobulwele becholera esele bukhambe nemphefumulo yabantu abali-15 yamaskrali. Naku umbono wakho umukeli uyalandela.
Iindaba manje amasikali ngiyakade yong kanti mude kufa abantu abangaki before bazasithathele ehloko awu abantu abasithatha serious yo ngiyala nokona bawesi
abantu beyamaskrali kade khulu balila ngamanzi angakahlanzeki. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nje sokuyiminyaka emine yonke abantu beyamaskrali balila ngamanzi angakahlanzeki.
Indaba leyo yokuthi batsho kunobulolo bokuthula mkhathi le ejithina iyathwenya ngaphandle ePitori mkhathi
wathiwa kunebatupili program wathiwa a better life for all. Ngazi-ke ubonyana ngiyo le better life for all ebekhulunywa ngayo na.
Vele abantu fanele bangasawaseli amanzi lawa angakahlolwa namavaterikani la asamanzi ebantwini bangawathengisi.
Le amanzi aseyamaskrala sabotage amanzi angeke abefeyila so azenza umuntu uthela insile emanzini la.
Hey, ayikhona kunzima kumele sihlokomele straight. I-corona icedile ngapha i-cholera nayo iyangena.
Sazosibhuka nje impela izifo ngoba manje mangabe sidla amanzi angahlanzekile nazo zonke izinto kodwa imali ikhona. Ubona nje nabona belungisela izindlu zabo nesamba esikhulu semali. Uhulumende fanele aqinisekise amanzi asempompini acocekile ziyabulawa intsholongwane.
Into eziningi lapha uhulumeni uyaqala etatazela kanti sekufa abantu abaningi azama ukusheshisa ngempela efundisa abantu nathi ke singabantu ngaso sonke isikhathi esikwenzayo asigezeni izandla bakithi asigezeni izandla mabuya nje endlini encane shona empompini ugela izandla noma kanjani.
Kufanele bethathelwe inyathelo abantu abanikeza umsebenzi ukuthi besihlanzele amanzi esiwaphuza empompini.
Lamandi ayimpilo etimpilweni tethu emandi siphila ngawo.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ungqongqotjhe weendaba zangekhaya uDr Ron Motsoaledi uthi batsho uDr Nandipha Magudumane akhe siyathome nje yathi umusa ekhotho ngezwa ngobatsho yokubana wathunjwa eTanzania. uDr Motsoaledi uhlolele amagqwetha kaMagudumane bona ufuna abengabanye abazokuphendula esibaweni esihaba kwesifakwe nguMagudumane ekhotho ephakemeko yeBloemfontein. Lapha amagqwetha akhe azokuveza bona wathunjwa wabotshwa ngokungasinge emthethweni elizweni leTanzania.
uDr Motsoaledi uthi uDr Magudumane noThabo Bester babuyisa eSouth Africa ngokusemthethweni kanti kwalandelwa ikambiso efaneleko. Lokhu kutsho njengoba uMagudumane azokuya ekhotho ngokurhabako ngelisini ngelithi amapholisa weSouth Africa apha bekanganamandla okubopha nanyana ngibani eTanzania. uMagudumane uthi batsho wathunjwa wavalwa amehlo kodwa uMotsoaledi uthi kuyarara bona umnyango weendaba zangekhaya awusihlangana nabazoziphendulela ekhotho nanyana kungiwo umnyango phambili endabeni zokubuyiswa kwabantu lapha ekhethu.
For the legal team of Dr. Nandipha to go to court and challenge their bringing here as having been illegal and what did they call it, an abduction, and then in the documents they don't code Home Affairs.
Kanti umnyango wezangekhaya uqinisekise bona njenganje sele unikele uThabo Bester umazisi.
Thabo Bester was issued with an identity card on the 17th of May 2023.
uMotsoaledi uthi umnyango lo uthathela uMagudumane ipassport yakhe. uMagudumane nakaboshwa kwatholwa iphethe ipassport yakhe namanye amapassport amabili wakaDr Merekanjani owaziwa ngokuthi kuDr Phashi.
The Department of Home Affairs has obtained legal advice that there are strong legal grounds to revoke the passport of Dr. Nandipha Magudumane.
Kanti uMotsoaledi uncancabeza uDr Phashi ngokuthi uPhashi watlikihla incwadi efungelweko etshoko bona ipassport yakhe yokuthoma ilahlekile nakaza kufaka isibawo sokuthola yesibili nabekukhulunywa nemibiko endaba.
I therefore retract the statements I've made on that particular day and subsequent words to that effect And I would like to extend my sincere apology to her in this regard.
Phambilini uDr Phasho wathusela ngokuthathela umtswaledi amagadango wezomthetho ukubana abawukulitshalelwa.
Nasibuya entolo.
Inkinga yethu singumphakathi sinenkinga yesikole since from 2016 basithembisa ukuthi batasikhela isikolo abasakheli bakhamna nema-empty promises.
Izakhamuzi zembuzini zithi akwakhiwe ngobutsha isikole esagrizwa kwathiwa sikaphepha ukuthi kungafundela abantu ababo. Sekumnyaka eli-10 yonke zilindile.
Thina na SABC News sidosela umtato nangabe unomhlala wendaba. Indaba ukusiluma indlebe namkha indaba ezinthwenyako emphakathini wangeni. Ngasidosela umtato ku 011 714 6133 namkha usi-emailele ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News phimbo lakho isijamele ayithatha ihlangothi.
Zisakhona indaba lapha kanena zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube ungena ngokuthi SABC Iindaba zesiNdebele asirage nazo. Isikhulu sephiko elikhethekileko labofokisi uadvocate Andy Mothibi uthi iSIU sele ithomile ngekambiso yokuthola umbiko wezobuhloli ekukhulunywa ngawo omumethe imininingwane ngephenyo lakwa Eskom. Umbiko loyo wasungulwa isikhulu saphambilini sakwa Eskom uAndri de Ruyter. Umothibi uthi bathonyeke khulu ngephenyo lelo kanti uthi kubonakala ngathi akakho lingako ukusumbulula imraro ekwa Eskom. Kanti ngokungeneleleko ngendaba le ungabukela ihlelo lalapha kwa SABC full view ebusuku nje nge-iri lesithandathu ku channel 404.
The issue around conflict of interest. For us, that is a very, very important aspect to deal with because it's a breeding ground for this corruption where employees of Eskom would be involved in entities that are doing business with Eskom. And as we always say that, you know, our finding has been that we have seen this gain business in Eskom being favored, not following process, and simply because these employees have got interest. So if that aspect is not dealt with appropriately, we are likely to see this going on, and we expect really management and the board to deal with this situation decisively.
Nasisaraga nendaba ze-Eskom ungqongqotshe wezegezi uDr Khosiyenso Ramokgopa uzokunikelwa amandla apheleleko ukuthi asombulule umraro wegezi okhona lapha eSouth Africa. Indaba le umkhulumi weofisi likaMengameli uVincent Magwenya nabe kakhuluma nembiki indaba.
The proclamation has been signed and you will have the details of that proclamation once it's been gazetted. So let's just dispense with that notion that the president has failed to deliver in that regard. Yes, it has taken time, as it should, because there were necessary consultations that had to be held to ensure that in resolving this electricity crisis, we do so in a manner that is harmonious with respect to the workings of government. We take into consideration the fact that that portfolio is a transitional sort of portfolio. It's not a permanent portfolio, the Ministry of Electricity. Therefore, whatever powers that you allocated to it, you will not do so at the risk of causing short-term or long-term instability in government.
Ismail South Africa ikhonile ukusika yathunga kuhle indebe zomlomo ezingaphezulu kwama-20 zabantwana ababelethwe zingakahlali kuhle esibhedlela iRob Ferreira embombela eMpumalanga. Ihlolombono itshengisa ukuthi qobe imizuzu emithathu kuba nomntwana obelethwa kwephasini onomraro wendebe zomlomo.
Ukumomotheka indlela yokuzwakalisa ithabo. Kodwa kuba mraro kumomotheka kuvelene lomhlathe abantwana ababelethwe banomraro ukubumbeka kwendebe yangaphezulu yomlomo. UMahlatsi Mathebula yena wasikwa selakhulakhulile kodwa abantwana bakhe ababili bona nokho babe nechudu.
abantwana bona bathola lo uqala lo number 2 uthola iheadline ana 1 week 6 months wabuya nohlelelo bamenza ana 4 years.
Ngileli jima lokusika hlangane ngalawulwa mbuso i-Operation Smile khonile ukumomothekisa abantwana abama-23 umsanyana kaSipati Machete oneminyaka emibili ubudala ngomunye wabo.
Pile ka makala ke humana khole ya utswa ko Operation Smile then ke bona ba Operation Smile ke yone e re khona uthusha ngwana.
Izazi zithi umntwana munye kabalichuma ababelethwa banomraro wendebe yangaphezulu yomlomo babhubha bangakahlanganisa umnyaka babelethiwe.
Estimated that every 3 minutes a child is born with a cleft lip and palate somewhere in the world, and without surgery these children face a very difficult life.
Umnyango wezempilo wesifundesi uzokusebenzisana ne-Operation Smile iminyaka emithathu ezako. Lokhu kusebenzisana ngokuletha ukumomotheka ebantwaneni ababelethwe nomraro ongakabumbeki kuhle kwendebe yangaphezulu yomlomo.
But you'll understand that in Mpumalanga it's a rural province, it's become difficult for us to attract specialists. Hence, in the meantime, we can't complain and say we don't have specialists.
I-Operation Smile inikele nangensetshenziswa eziphathelene namazinyo ezikhona ukugega indawo ngendawo ukwenzela bona zifinyelele endaweni eziningi khona abantu baza kufumana ichejo lamazinyo elifaneleko.
Kujanyisiwe ukufunda nokufundisa enkolweni ezingabali khomba ezimakeka nembuzini enkomazi eMpumalanga. Izakhamuzi zivale indlela zifuna kwakhiwe ngobutsha isikolo samabanga aphasi esagirizwa eminyakeni emihlanu edlulileko. Isikolo esisagirizwa ngemva kokutholakala bona asikaphephi kanike solo bathenjiswa bona siza kwakhiwa ngobutsha kodwa nanje azikakhiwa.
Zilingekile izakhamuzi zifuna isikole esitsha la. Kuvala indlela ezichinga pheze enkolweni ezilikhomba kwakhandelwa abafundi abayokufunda esikolweni Iindaba Primary School. Kanti isikolo esi sakhiwa ngomnyaka ka-1982 sagirizwa eminyakeni emihlanu edlulileko ukuthi kuphephiswa abafundi.
I-briefing bayentile last year around March, and then now eceda kwenta i-briefing basithembisa ukuthi by July kutaba sekuqaliwe i-project yokwakhiwa.
Bakamna nema-empty promises bafike basi-address ukuthi isikolo batasakha abasakheli.
Nguthi wabatsho umnyango wezefundo wesifunda wathembisa ukwakha isikolo ngo-2013 sekumnyaka eli-10 yonke isikolo asikho kunokuthi kwakhiwa isikolo kwathunyelwa amaklasi esikhatshana.
Nga-2008 saya in the former Society Babengani and sasifika kuye wasitshela ukuthi indindindi ingiletinye tikolo letikhona eluhlwini lokuthi takhiwe in Lebombo Circuit.
Umnyango wezefundo wesifunda solo wenza inthembiso zokulungisa imraro yemthangalasisekelo yenkolo. Solo kuthoma umnyaka lo imiphakathi eminingi yachagala ifuna inkolo ezingcono kodwa kwenzeki litho. Ababelethi bakhupha abantwana babe emaklasini agerekako ukulinga ukwenza umnyango wezefundo bona usombulula imraro yenkolo ezingakaphephi.
Department siyazi nge-infrastructure challenges leyakhona lapha endindini kungakho sibanikeze ama-mobile classes awu-11 kuze ukufunda nokufundisa kuchubekele phambili. Sibeke ibudget enganga-28 million ukuthi sakhe ama-classrooms awu-8 sakhe i-library sakhe ne-computer center ne-grade R center siphinde futhi sakhe ne-admin block sifake ne-fence lapha esikoleni. I-construction izocala ngalo mnyakatimali waka-2023-2024.
Izakhamuzi zithi amaklasi esikhatshana la amakhaza begoda akakaphephi ukuthi abantwana bafundele kiwo. Izakhamuzi zithi izokuraga nomshakalo bekube kumhla inlilo zabo zithathelwe ehloko.
Kezemali randa liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikolo. Ubujamo bezulu buyalandela ngobusayi Mathebula nisale nomusa.
kuzokele kamnandi ngendabeni sithokozile. Lochani mbukele ekhaya intambama ngomvulo akhe sicaleke ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu sibona inaga yonke kuvulile njengoba ubona nenyezi khanya nje kodwa ke zinkomo pozibonako lithi ukusibekela ngamafu ngaleke ngePumalanga ukuchinga lapha eTlagwini nenaga yeSouth Africa. Sicaleke ukuthi kusasa khona kunjani. Sibona lapha amathutshana wezulu endaweni zabophulukwane nengcengeni nje ezinye zalapha esifundeni seMpumalanga. Uyabona ke ukuthi lapha kunekungu endaweni zalapha sibona lapha eKZN nalapha ukuchinga eMpumalanga nendaweni ezinye zeLimpopo ukuthi ngaphambili kuvulekile. Ke sicaleke ukuthi anjani amazinga okushisa. Sithoma lapha esifundeni seGauteng kunezudlwane elingalindeleke lenza ukuthi lapha sikube makhaza siphole nesifunda sonke sangapha ngeGauteng lala kuvuke kumakhaza nokho ekseni abantu bambathe bafuthumele sibalekele imgomane sifundeni sangalengela Limpopo siyabona sibekele ngamafu lapha kubodzanini ngathi ukuthela kancancazana ibheka sport makhaza nge18 indawo eziningi zipholile kusemusina nalapha ke eliphalale la ukuthi khona ukufuthumala eliphalale nge25 isifunda sangalenge eMpumalanga ke salibona ke izudlwane endaweni zalapha emalahleni nesekunda nalapha eStandard 10 kumakhaza ke kulezi ndawo neEmelo nalapha eCarolina uyachinga kubosikukhuza khona ke kupholile nakezinye indawo eziningi kodwa nakulala kuvuke kumakhaza njengendawo eziningi KwaZulu Natal ibonakala ipholile endaweni eziningi kuseKokstad lapho ke kuphola khudlwana bekube makhaza ke nge1 nawuvuka ekseni bese kuthi 18 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi siyocala isifunda sangale ngePumalanga Kapa ukuthi khona kunjani lisibekele ngamafu likhamba liveza ihloko sifunda siphole sonke ikomani nalapha eMalitswa elifuna uba ngakuba makhaza nge19 asiyocala ke ngale ngeWestern Cape ukuthi ngakhani khona kunjani na livala livule ngezinye indawo Cape Town imakhaza nge19 lapha ke kubo George kuthi ukuphola nalapha ke eWorcester nge20 khona asiyokucalela isifunda salapha eNorthern Cape ukuthi kunjani kumakhaza iSutherland lala ivuke imakhaza nge18 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi nalapha kubo Calvin kodwa neUppington ithi ukufuthumala kamnandi yona ke nge27 ngemva kwamadina iFreystad likhamba liveza ihloko endaweni eziningi eFixburg kumakhaza indawo ezinye ezipholile bese ke uthina uchinga lapha kubo Bothaville kube ngconywana khona ke nge22 kokugcina lapha eNorthwest likhamba liveza ihloko endaweni eziningi sibekele ngamafu kezinye indawo eRustenburg uthanda uba makhazana kezinye indawo ke lipholile sonke isifunda sangapho ngeNorthwest kube busuku obumnandi neveke enempumelelo sibona negodu ngelesithathu dido